Hey guys, it's Ray Davis with the Affirmation Spot. This morning I want to encourage you to put a stake in the ground. If you're like I am and you've been working in the corporate world for a while or just in your daily life, you'll find a lot of times that most people, regardless of their title, rank, or status, are really afraid to put a stake in the ground. We kind of live in this collaboration culture, which is a great thing for gathering ideas and getting everyone's input, but it's really bad at making decisions and getting things done. One of the things that I found over the years in working in the corporate world is that I will try, when I see kind of this analysis paralysis happening, to put a stake in the ground. What that does is everyone kind of, I think, on the call is waiting for somebody to do it. And I found what that does is it allows people to kind of rally around a point and either agree or disagree and move on and get something done. So everyone is waiting for someone else to do it, so just be the one to do it. It's a little scary at first to be the one that speaks up and says, hey, I think we should do this, but I guarantee you that you will find that you get better results out of your meetings, that you get more productive discussions than you will get if you, if you just let the analysis paralysis and the eternal collaboration happen. So get the input, get everyone's ideas, don't exclude anyone's ideas, but when it's time, put a stake in the ground, and I guarantee you're going to get a good result. This is Ray Davis with the Affirmation Spot. I appreciate you watching these. Please comment below and let me know how it works out today. If you get a chance in a meeting that you're in today or in something else that you're doing in your life today where you can put a stake in the ground, let me know how that goes. Have a great day, everybody.